thank you for joining me and welcome to the third and final episode of the Canary and Olive build. There's quite a bit to get through for this episode. I need to get the finish done, do the sound demo, and then we can take a detailed look. Let's do what we always do and just dive in and get started, and we'll have a chat about it at the end when we can see it. Okay, we have a guitar and I love it. But before we take a detailed look and have a chat, let's have a listen. This is what it sounds like through a Vox AC15. into the top boost channel just for some clean. So I'll plug into the normal channel now, which is a bit warmer, and we'll do some slightly more driven sounds. That was a bit. Let's kick in the clone. Hopefully that sounded okay. I'm new to the recording thing, so be patient. I will get better at it, but let's take a look. And I'm going to quickly change the light settings on the camera so that all of the colours hopefully come through. Okay, I think that should do the trick. I'll go a little bit slower than I normally would because I'm not sure how well it focuses when I go quick. So quick run through the specs. This is a single piece walnut neck with an olive wood fretboard and a matching top and back in canary, and the middle section, the main body section, is okame. And what I've also done there is just to stack the heel, so there's a bit of flamed maple. So it goes walnut, maple, okame, canary on the heel. Let's have a quick talk about the finish. So I used a hard wax oil finish, which was a Chestnut Products hard wax oil, and then their microcrystalline wax, and I'd already used the putty style grain filler, so the whole thing has a lovely smooth kind of satin sheen, and you may be able to see, if I move it across the light, you can probably see it reflecting off a little bit at some points. It really is a beautiful finish, and I do think that it makes the best of this wood, which is what I'm always trying to do. The hardware that I've used is, these are Clouson top locking tuners, which I really like because they're light. They're lighter than the equivalent ones that lock at the back, and they're really quick and easy to string. As you can see, all of the hardware's in chrome. I've got hip shot style bridge, chrome pickup surround, shallow speed knobs. I've also used a brushed chrome switch tip, which I really love. And I've got a single tone volume and a three-way switch, so there's no coil splitting or anything, it's just simple. The pickups that I've used for this are Bare Knuckle Boot Camp Old Guard humbuckers, which are their lowest output pickups that they do. but I think they sound really fantastic. In fact, I've used about 4 or 5 sets of them, and I'm really happy. They're my favourite humbuckers of choice at the moment. I think I said in the previous video it's a slim taper neck. It's 20.5mm thick at the first to 23mm thick at the 15th, and it's a 22 fret with medium height narrow frets, and it's a 25.5-inch scale length guitar. And this is the first of this design that I've made, and I'm super happy with it. I'm not going to make any tweaks to the design. I think the proportions and the shape, the whole balance of the thing is really good. And the whole guitar completed came in at just under £8, which I'm completely happy with. But the wood, I absolutely love the wood. It's the first time I've done a matching top and back, and it may well be my favourite looking guitar that I've done. I think it's beautiful. But let me know what you think, because I'm always interested to know people's opinions, because you never really know whether you're the odd one out, you know. So I have another video that's going to go up pretty soon, because I've almost finished another build that I'm working on, and that's a really exciting one. So that should be in the next couple of weeks. So that's the Canary and Olive build. I'm super happy with it. Let me know what you think, and I will have a new episode of something very soon.